Thank you so much for joining me on this mini lesson of mine for piano. Today I'm going to share with you a little bitty exercise that I made up using all 5 fingers. First we do the C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C a couple times, and then we do the sharps, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and then it goes back down. A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, C sharp. And then we end it with isolated notes going from one octave to the next. This is how it goes. Let's first do a little bit of warm up for our fingers and our wrist. So I want us to crunch our fingers like this, and then squeeze each finger and then stretch. Squeeze and stretch. Once you're done with all those fingers, go to the right hand, do the same thing, and then we'll do a wrist action to really relax our wrists, like so. Okay? Another thing that it's great for pianists to do is to really relax their core by doing some stretches. So let's stretch on one side with a twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to the other side nice and slow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to start from the beginning, starting at the white notes. And then once we finish the pattern, we'll go to the black notes. And then repeat it again on the white notes. And then one more time on the black notes. End it on the white notes. And then we will isolate the notes. We're going to isolate the notes with just by playing middle C and low C. And then gradually go the opposite directions on the following C. And then opposite directions on the following C. While you're holding left hand, you're going to play the high C like so. Okay? All right. So we're going to start from the top with a gradual, with an allegro tempo, let's say. So it's going to go like this. It's also good to mention that when we are transitioning from this pattern to this pattern, we're stopping at the ring finger here and pointer here, and then we're stopping at the ring finger here and pointer here when we're transitioning from this. All right, let's go ahead and add pedal. Same tempo. Actually, I'm going to play a little slower. Here we go. Good. And to end it, before we do the isolated notes, you're going to end it like D, C, and then you go your separate way. Let's pick up the tempo now that you got it. And let's add the pedal, don't forget. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice. Thank you so much for coming. Really enjoyed our time together. Please continue to practice, and I'll see you next time. Peace.